It's Ate Ali's birthday! Birthday, Ali! Lahat ng gusto niya ngayon, lulutuin natin. Ngayon, ang pinagawa ko is mukha niya, kaya may salamin, pero si Mizuki Akiyama.
Happy birthday, Ate!
I wonder what's in the... Is that a shirt? Yes! What? Yeah! Thank you, Mom!
Pina-customize ko.
Okay.
That's my gift!
Thank you, Mommy!
Parang thank you po, parang PR package lang. Niluto lang ako ng pinakbet.
Bagoong yun.
Ha?
Bagoong.
Meron masabaw. Mga bata may sabaw. Lang okra eh. Okay na to. Ginawa ko masabaw para may sabaw ang mga bata. Ayan guys, ang aming peanut bait. Kain. Oli, look at mommy nga. How cute is Oli? Wow! Oli, here. Wow! Ayos here. Tingin. Tingin. Wow! Let's go na. Let's go. Ayan guys. Open na natin to. Ito yung dumating kahapon eh. Cascade. Wow! Say thank you po. Say thank you po. Ito pa yung isa. Wait, picturean muna natin, Oli. Saan mo dadalhin? Dito lang. Wait lang, picture lang ni Mami. Wait, please. Tignan niyo talaga. Kala na kaya niya.
Say wow!
Wow! Strong, Oli.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, you're so strong, Oli.
Good job, Ollie. What happened? Look it. You want to try?
Alaga.
No. No,
Ala.
Ollie, push it. Do this. Oh.
My turn. Later, open, wait. Picture muna. Ang nakalagay ay, Dear Via, happy cleaning day. Keep doing what you love using this cleaning equipment from Cascade Philippines. We hope that you enjoy your new cleaning equipment collection with your family and loved ones. Maraming salamat po. Ano ko sa'yo, Uli? Ay, nakukuha naman. So, unahin muna natin to. Ay, pwede ito sa labas pa, no? Multi-purpose duty broom. No? Parang ano? Gimme. Parang ting-ting siya. No? Sakto sira yung mga walis ting-ting namin.
Wait.
Ayan.
Baro muna.
Okay na. Ito naman ay multi-purpose broom din. So, iba-iba siya. Tignan ko lang talaga kung hindi pa malinis yung bahay natin. Ang laki.
Ang haba. Oh.
Ang haba.
Pang ano talaga siya.
Tapos, may mop. Large loop mop. Tapos, brush. Ayan. Pang ano. Garahe.
Yan, sakto. Manipis na yung cascade natin din yun.
With rubber squeegee. Talaga. Oh, ito. loop mop, yung medyo maliit.
Okay, try.
Ayan, sponge squeeze mop.
Ayan, pantuyo ko yan. Mga kaibigan.
Ito. Hindi kasi ako nang gumamit ng mga ganito. Tapos, syempre, dustpan and broom set. Yan, ito siya lahat, guys.
Pag naman talaga itong bata.
Tapos, meron pa tayong puro red, no? Ito. Pwede ito dito. Pang toilet. Toilet brush and holder set. Ito naman ay microfiber car duster, squeegee.
Ay, yung nasa CR mo yata dati.
Tapos, ito ay duster din. Multi-surface duster. Ganun. Yes. Bottle and glass brush. Oh, ang laki nito pa, oh.
Ito sa'yo, Oli, oh.
Ito naman, yan, yung may ganito. Naglilinis na si Oli. Pakita mo nga.
Seryoso yan.
Oh, clean. Clean. Siguraduhin mo walang matitira, ha? Tanggal ka pagka may natirang kalat dito.
Clean up.
O, yan, maglinis ka.
Seryoso talaga siya. Oh.
Tapos, microfiber sponge and yung pang, yan, scrub sa CR. So, yung maraming salamat, Cascade. It's Ate Ali's birthday today, Ali. Luto lang akong spaghetti. Order ako ng balloons. Dito na kami sa bahay kasi may pasok sila eh. 5 PM na yung uwi niya. Tapos, yun, spaghetti. Umorder din ako ng cake. Siyempre, chicken, hindi mawawala dahil yun yung paborito ni Ate Ay. Yun yung mga gusto niya kainin. Tapos baka umorder na lang din ako ng pizza. Lahat ng gusto niya ngayon, lulutuin natin. Except yung pizza. Orderin natin yung pizza. Nag-start na tayo mag-cook, Oli. Help mo na lang si Mami. You want? You want, Oli? Help Mami? Hindi ko na naman natuloy yung vlog kahapon, ano. Buti dumating na yung mga iraregalo namin kay Ai. Isa na lang inaantay ko. Kami lang. Meron, marami. Ayun, oh, dami pa. Kaano nga muna pa? Mahirap na. Makakadatin si Ai. Si Oli. Yun, pumunta na sa labag. Paano tayo niya na, Oli? Sit down here. Wow. This is... What is this? Crush. Whoa. I'm gonna cook spaghetti. You want spaghetti? Ayaw. You want? Yes or no? That's sibuyas. Onion. Onion. Good job, Oli. This is garlic. Try. Remove. Wow. Asa na yung ano mo dito? Wait, hanapin ko lang yung pang cut mo. Oh, here. Oh, help Mommy. Wait, masakit yan eh. Wala bang kalmado dyan na pwede i-cut? Ay, yung hotdog! Okay, this one. Cut it. Cut. Go, cut. Ganun. Ooh, good job, Oli. Go. This one. Cut. Good job. Cut it. More. Help Mommy. Good job, Oli. Oopsies, it's okay. Wow, good cutting, Oli.
Oh no.
It's okay. You can do it. Okay, help me. Okay, I will hold. Okay, cut here. Go, Oli. Wow! Very good, Oli. More. Cut. Wow! Good job, Oli. It's okay. Remove mo yung ano. Nangangamoy bawang ka niyan. Thank you. Peel the garlic. Very good, Oli. Good job, Oli. Wow, ang galing naman mag-peel ng garlic.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Good job, Oli. Binibilisan mo rin, no? Good job, Oli. Careful. Careful. Wow! Yan, oh. Heel. Heel. Sa bawang pa lang, Oli, ang tagal na natin dalawa. Are you done? Oh. Cut the hotdog naman. Cut mo hotdog. Hold mo to, hold. Use this one.
Mommy.
Oh. Alin, ito? Gusto niyo yung sibuyas. Ayaw mo ito hotdog ganyan, Oli, oh. 1, 2, 3. Wow! This one hotdog.
No hotdog.
Ayaw mo hotdog? Masakit yan sa mata eh. Awit to sa ice eh. Hotdog lang.
I want cheese.
Gusto mo kayo sibuyas.
Oh no. I want it.
Awit to sa ice, please. Oops! Akala ko. Don't touch your eyes. Lasog na eh. Wow! What did you do? What did you do? What happened to the hot dog? Hot dog. Yes, wait lang. Doon ka move. Is Oli a good helper? Little chef? Are you a good chef? Yes or no? Yes or no? That's an onion. They like onion? Yes? You like onion? Why you like onion? Okay, let me open. Mommy will open for you. Cut it. Cut it. Cut again. What color?
Purple.
Purple. Awi sa eyes, Oli. Say hi, guys. I'm cooking spaghetti for Ate's birthday.
Oh no. Mommy.
Yes, Oli. No, Oli. Where is it? Oh no! Awawa naman ang hotdog na yan. Dami ng pinagdaanan. Are you done? Thank you. Let me finish first, okay? You wanna go down na? Ayan guys, dumating na yung pinagawa kong balloons. Kinamaan to eh. Ayan. Ganda! Malaki talaga yung pinagawa ko para pag nagpa-picture, nakatayo. 'Di ba? Happy birthday, Ayi! Tapos, meron din akong pina-customize na, ano ba tawag dito? Pop art? Ay, basta pop. Ganon. Kalimutan ko kung anong tawag dito. 'Di ba favorite niya si Mizuki Akiyama? Project Sekai ba to?
Yata.
Ngayon, ang pinagawa ko is mukha niya, kaya may salamin, pero si Mizuki Akiyama. Kung natatandaan nyo, ito yung costume niya nung New Year. Tapos yung umattend siya ng parang mga cosplay.
Comic Con.
Comic Con. Ito yung costume niya nun. Tapos yan. Nagpa-additional na lang ako sa ganun. May additional pa yun eh.
Ay, salamin.
Pag salamin.
Gano'n?
Pag mga bawat details. Medyo mahal lang siya guys. Pero, di ba? Alam kong matutuwa si Ate Ayi na to. Yan. Color pink kasi, pink yung buhok ni Mizuki. Ayan. Ang pinalagay ko dito is Ayesha Elise as Mizuki Akiyama. Tapos meron pa pala dito sa likod. We at Maker Carl ko pala siya pinagawa guys. Yan, lagay ko na lang dyan yung Facebook. Made this for you, Ayesha. It's more than just a gift.
Oo, talagang customized pati yung box.
Lahat, oo. Customized talaga siya. Akala ko ito, lang, may sticker. Pero pati pala yung dito. Ang ganda, diba? Ang hilig niya kasi sa mga ganito, guys. Tapos yung ibang gift namin, mamaya nyo na makikita dahil nabalot ko na siya kanina. Maganda lang sana kung medyo yung box nila parang yung may hole pa.
Oo.
Ito kasi ganyan lang eh. Kaya gumagalaw-galaw siya eh. Parang cup holder. Parang hindi gumagalaw.
Parang nakalubog siya ng konti.
Hindi ko na lang siya babalutin pala. Bala ko sana balutin. Kaso baka magkanda ganun-ganun. Ganda hilo-hilo siya. Tapos ito na yung ibang mga regalong nabalot ko. Tsaka ito. Mga gift namin. Tapos may gift din si Maan. Ito. Happy birthday, Ate Ayi. Yan. Lagay na din natin. Bango ah. Bango Maan. Parang pinabanguan talaga. Tapos ito sino? Wow! Cute! Tuluwi. Oh! From ano to? Ling Ling Sari Sari Collections pala to guys. Cute! Tuwa rin si Louisita. Tapos, this one is for Oli. Ba't kumakain ka ng chocolate? Wow! You want to open?
Yes.
And this one pa. Wow! From Ling Ling Sari Sari Collection, guys. Ayan. Oh, ang cute naman ito. Ayan, oh. Meron ka ng ano, Oli. Kapalit dun sa pangharang natin. Sa ano, bed. Ang cute. Clean ba yung hands mo? Lika. Open natin dito. Ayan, go. Open. Ay, saan mo open?
Oh no, the ticket open.
You can't open? O, lika dito. Okay, go.
Wow.
What's that?
This is
Wow! Say thank you, Ninang Maan. More. Ang dami pa, oh. Wow! More. Ayan, ang mga pang bento-bento. Tapos may cinnamon roll pa. Oh, Leo. Oh, so cute. Ay, ito kay Ayi. Oh, ito, to Ayi. Oh, meron na siyang kalendaryo. Kasi kahapon, yung Little Twin Star niya na kalendaryo 2024, sabi niya, anong gagawin ko dito? So, yeah, meron na siyang 2025. Ito kay Louie. Oh, ito kay Oli. Yay! Say thank you po. Say thank you po, Ninang. Say thank you, Ninang. Oh my God. Say thank you, Ninang. Thank you, Ninang. Are you happy? Picture muna natin. Picture, okay? For me. For me. Okay, wait. Picture. Here. Ayan guys, tapos ito yung pinagawa kong cake from Sugary Treats pa din. Sugary Treats by Justin. Okay, ano ba pangalan nito? Kasi si Mizuki Akiyama. Fondant naman yan guys. Magugulat yun si Ai. Akala niya walang mangyayari sa birthday niya. Kasi sabi niya, pwede daw kami umalis ngayon. Alas 5 na nga siya dadating. Sabi ko, hapon na ganyan. Pero alam niyang mag-o-okada kami sa 11. Yun, doon na lang namin talagang isa-celebrate yung pinaka-birthday niya. Matutuwa yun. Ang ganda yun nandun. Ayun. Mamaya natin open. 13 years old na kasi si Ayi, guys. So, guys, paparating na si Ate Ayi. Sineset-up ko lang to para kasi dito siya papasok So, para pagpasok niya. Ito na yung Mizuki na cake niya. Wala talaga siyang ka-idea dito, guys. From Sugary Treats by Justin. Ang cute na to, oh. Galing. Ito fondant din ata ito, parang pinrint. Ganda. Tapos Okada na kami. Sa Sunday. Nandito na sila mama. Si Ayi wala pa. Si Louie nandito na.
Whoa! Again,
Pag may ano sila, camping eme.
where did you get this?
Pinagawa ko.
What you did that?
Gusto yan ni ate? Magugustuhan ni ate?
Yeah.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Nosebleed.
Nosebleed again?
Yeah. I don't know why. I just sneezed 3 times and then...
Oh, ano ka kasi. Babahing-bahing ka eh. Kanina pa eh. Nakapasok na? Andiyan na si Ayi. Wala magbukas sa kanya pa.
Ako na.
Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday to you! Ayun si Lola Obles.
And look at the cake. Look at the cake. Look at the cake. Oh my god. Mizuki.
You like it?
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, chocolate. What? Is that real lollipop?
Yeah, pwede.
It's real?
Yeah.
I thought those were fake. I saw the dripping.
You like the cake?
Sing happy birthday kay ate.
Doon ka kay ate.
Go.
Game.
Go.
Doon ka ate sa likod.
Happy birthday.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy
birthday,
ate.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday
to you.
I wish.
Wish. Bigyan naman mag-wish. Yay! Happy birthday, ate.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday.
Uy! Wow!
Wow.
Say thank you.
Thank you
Si
po.
Tito.
Picture daw.
Picture ko lang si Ayi pag-isa mo.
Sige.
Game 1, 2, 3. Smile. One more. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Blow. Yay! 1, 2. Ali! Isa ka. Ali.
Sama dali. Tingin kay mami. Tingin kay
Ayan.
mami.
Sige, tingin doon.
Doon kay mami.
Game 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Smile.
Ayan. Ang handa ni Ate Ayi ay... Yan, tapos may rellenong bangus, tapos yung niluto kong spaghetti, and eto. Ano nga ba tawag dyan? Chop suey? Okay, mag-open si Ate Ay ng gift.
With me. From I can read it. Ling from Ling Ning. Thank you po. We Bear Bears.
Na happy birthday.
How do you know? I watched this so obviously. Is it cute? Is this Sama? Ito?
Hindi.
Huh? Separate.
Yan from Oli.
Oh! Ollie? Ollie. Oh, it's cardboard. Why is there... Why is Mizuki so big? I don't know. Chainsaw Man? Yeah. Are you happy? Mizuki is so big. Do you have Mizuki is your favorite? Yes. That's why. Bigness? What are these anime characters that I do not know? I only know Luffy, Denji, Can I have Anya. Give me Anya. Who are these two?
Lahat yan sa Project Sekai eh.
Huh? I think these are freebies. Mizuki and Kanade. Wait, why is there cardboard?
From Louie.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ay, kay Daddy pala yan. Ay, kay Louie.
Is this yours or?
Kay Louie.
I never seen this wrapping before. Huh? Wow, fresh. That's not mine. I think. Why is it so hard?
Box lang yan.
Oh! I know, I'm just joking.
Yeah, maybe it's mine.
Why is it so hard to break? I thought it was paper. It feels like plastic. Look.
Let's open it.
Premium gift wrapper yan.
Miko!
Yep, that's mine. That's mine. Yep, yeah, that's mine.
Miko! It's Miko, the Hatsune Miko!
That's actually
Thank
mine.
you, Louie!
Yeah.
Kinino ito?
Kay Daddy.
Wow, press ulit! I wonder what's in the...
Is that a shirt?
Yes!
You like it?
It's mine.
Where did you find these? I did not find those on Shopee.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy! Ito.
Later na yan sa akin. Yan.
Kinino.
What flavor is that?
Kay Tita Maan.
Akala ko yun.
Ano yan?
Tita Maana, who's that?
Yung gumawa ng balloons.
Ah, thank you po!
Wow, may calendar ka na ng ano.
Yay, for 2025, I can write down the dates.
I also have one.
Is this a journal thing or a planner?
Artem Mizuki, what's your favorite?
I think this is a planner. Look.
Okay.
Kasi ano, from Lola.
Kay Lola.
Kakaran.
Are you okay?
No.
You watch ate.
What is that? Oh, no.
Ay, doble-doble yung ano ah.
Tapos it will get smaller and smaller. Why is it? Is this ano?
Ano pera?
Yung pera yung na. Wow!
Ooh, ring. Dito?
Wow! Careful, ano. Say thank you, Lola.
Thank you po, Lola.
Wow, nice.
Bite mo, bite.
Bite?
Kagatin mo nga kung totoo.
Isn't that for the medals?
Try nga natin isanla.
Isn't that for the medals?
Yung isa lang muna.
Try nga natin kung totoo. Ano, totoo?
Thank you po, Lola.
Oh, may earrings pa pala. Palitan mo
Oh,
na yung
wait.
earrings
Oh, yeah.
mo. Mamaya na, mamaya na. Wait lang, baka mawala. Yan, sa akin. Careful ate ha, dahan-dahan.
There's stapler. Be careful.
No?
Huh?
Why is yours the only that's not pink?
Dahan-dahan.
What is this?
Basahin mo yung name.
I asked Lisa's Mizuki Akiyama.
Oh!
Para silang glasses.
They can do that?
We at Maker Carol made this for you, Ayasa.
It's you, ate. Yung naka-costume ka.
Thank you po.
Pina-customize ko.
Is that a Funko
Careful.
Pop?
Yes.
It's designed parang
Yeah, it's customized.
What
I
is
can still smell the paint.
It's you.
One more, 1, 2, 3, smile.
I thought this was a real Funko Pop for a second. Thank
You
you
like
po.
it?
Opo, thank you po.
Artem Mizuki, what's your favorite?
That's my gift.
Thank you, Mommy.
Parang thank you po, parang PR package lang. Thank you po. Parang pinadala lang eh. Balik mo lang dito kasi naka-customize siya.
Rare item.
Kaya makikita mo.
Yeah.
Diba?
It's a unique
Diba si
item.
Mizuki to?
Opo.
Tapos ikaw naka-glass.
Since when did they make that? They can do that?
Yeah.
Cute guys. Si Mizuki and Ai. Are you happy?
Opo.
Tignan mo nga yung t-shirt.
Put it on.
Ang ganda. Sa likod nga lang si Mizuki. Sa harap yan. Sa
Oh.
Alam na alam ni mama na kung anong...
But does it feel like yung parang
Nahirapan si
jersey?
daddy mo maganap niyan.
But does it feel like the jersey that you gave me?
Ay, ang ganda.
Feels like the jersey that you gave me, ah.
Sakto lang pala large. Wow! Talikad. Si Mizuki.
Tapos ano, Mizuki Rock Joke.
Mizuki what?
Ano, you thought you don't have, cake, balloons? Ha? Wala ka idea? Dahil pala pinrank kita. Pinaiyak muna kita dapat. Ano, it's edible?
Opo.
Kinain na niya. Tikman mo, Louie.
Oh, you're gonna eat Miku.
Bagay sa'yo yung t-shirt, no? Bagay kay Ai.
I'm gonna make her bald.
No!
Wait, I wanna try.
Sanay na yan.
Looks good.
Dati din natatakot ako. Wow, it looks like, ano naman. It's you.
I won't add the clips, to be honest.
You won't?
I would.
I would add.
Yeah, even though she doesn't have.
Oh.
Based yan sa sa costume mo.
Oo. Kung ano yung
Nung
costume mo
Halloween.
nung Halloween. Di ba may clip ka nun?
Only 2 clips, but from one side, I think.
Hala, what did you do, Oli? Ew. Oo.
I was trying to get my ring. I forgot Ollie was standing behind me.
What did you do? Stuck no? Hala. Pakita mo kay Oli.
Ollie, look.
Oli, what did you do? Oh, look. Hala. Oh, get mo.
Get.
Get mo. Help mo ate. Help mo.
Ano yan? I love the help.
Get mo yung lollipop sa hair.
We just went from the grocery to buy goods for the orphanage. First, we have Pop, yung marshmallow that has a chocolate inside. ABC fruit flavored jelly, Sky Flakes, lychee. It's like a fruit jelly, stick wafer. And I'll donate these to the orphanage. Chupa Chups minis, Primo and Presto. That's all right. That's all.
Perfect to tatlo yan. Nakaano sa 30 packs. 30 versions.
Diba
Sige, tatlo ba?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They're all 3 for the mga biscuits. For the candies, I just put them as 1 each because I don't want them to have many candy. But they might not be allowed to have too much kasi.
Okay.